You say hi.
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 Okay, today Bella's going to do my makeup. She's been asking me for the past 2 days, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And this right here in purple is Violet. Bella, you want to tell them how old you are? How old are you?
Anyway, like this.
That's your name. What's your age? How old are you? 3. And how old's baby?
2.
2. And what's her name?
And baby.
No, her name's not Baby. What's her real name?
Violet.
Violet, yes. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Bella's going to do my eyeshadow. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So you pick a color.
Want to do?
Let's see. You want to do blue? Okay, touch the blue. Sorry. Alright. Oh, here. I got to take off my eyelashes, right? Okay, hold on. Okay. Now, whenever you're ready. And what color are you putting on?
White blue.
Which one?
White blue.
Light blue? Okay.
Yeah.
Go. Oh, okay, that's enough. There, now you put it on my eye. Do I look pretty yet? No, what do you mean no?
Add more on here.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
There. What else? Nothing?
No more.
No more?
Can you make that?
You want to pick my lipstick? Okay, pick my lipstick. Or maybe Baby wants to do my makeup too. Let Baby pick a color here. Let's give her a different brush.
Look at baby
Here.
wait.
Here you go.
Baby, you want?
No,
Baby,
let Baby pick the color.
baby, you pick pink.
What color do
Baby,
you
that
want?
pink.
No, let Baby. She wants gold. Alright, you gonna put it on my eyes now? Let's see. Put it on my eyes.
Yeah.
You put it on me.
Yeah.
Put it on me. The camera's that way. The other way. Turn around. There you go. Violet, you're gonna do it? Put makeup on me.
Put
Where should she put it?
little blue one.
Alright, tell her. Show her. She
Baby.
doesn't know.
Put right there. Baby, how baby? Baby did baby like me, like my.
Baby's like you?
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause she's a baby. Okay. Now let's put it on my face.
What do you again?
Put it on my face.
What do you do one right there? I want to do more.
Okay, go do more.
Where's mine? Oh, baby. Oh, baby, want to do more.
And what palette are you using? Say Jaclyn Hill.
Jaclyn Hill.
There you go.
It's old.
There you go. That's enough. You don't have to brush so hard on her. You gonna put it on my face? So you go like that and then you put it on my face. No, don't touch the brush. You gotta put it on my face. Put it on my face. Oh, Violet's doing contour. Do I look pretty yet? What do you mean no? It's supposed to feel confident.
I do that and on more. Just
Oh.
more.
Okay, more.
Just everyone.
Okay. Oh, you're making them even now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's purple and then more blue.
Oh, this side's purple and this side's blue? Why?
Right there.
You don't have to do it so hard. Put it on my face. This side.
Oh, baby, do that your face. That's your face.
Okay, what else is next?
Make.
Huh? Are you done with my eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Let me see. Are you done with my eyeshadow? Put on my eyes. On my eyes. Yeah, my eyes. Oh, there we go. Okay. So now we're done with that.
It's a routine.
Oh, it's okay. I'll put it together in a little bit. Are you going to do my highlighter? Yeah, so I can shine?
Yeah.
Can be shiny? Yeah.
Move, baby. Baby, you have move.
Hold on. The both of you can do it.
I'm going to do this one.
Which one? Which one out of these two? Oh, look. You can use this brush, the big one.
Baby, do.
Baby? Baby can use this little one because she's a baby. Alright? Okay, now which one? Alright. Okay.
That's on the cheek.
Yeah, that one goes on my cheek. You gonna put it right here on my cheek?
Maybe that's the other one there.
She got me dirty right there?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you gonna fix it? No. Why not?
You need a wipey right here.
I need a wipey. No, it's okay. We can leave it alone. Do I look pretty yet, Violet?
I said no.
Don't tell her to say no.
Put it down like that.
Oh, okay. I put it down. And what are you using now?
That's a minute.
Now you're using the NYX palette.
Yeah.
Say NYX.
There's no word on there too big.
It don't work. Because that one is supposed to be for this one, so it can make my face shiny. Am I shiny yet? No, look, you go like this. Like that. You mess it up. Yeah, and then you go like that.
Need a bit more.
Any more? Okay. Do I look pretty or do I look ugly?
That's it.
Not yet? Okay, you won't tell me yet.
Yeah.
Am I done? Okay. And then we gotta do setting spray. Do you want to do lipstick on me?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Let me take this one off.
Door.
Okay.
A full door.
What color lipstick do you want to put on me?
Pink one.
The pink one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna do one lip and baby's gonna do the other. Which color do you want?
Baby purple.
You want this one? Okay.
Baby's dirty.
Okay, so hold on. Wait, we're gonna do this one at a time so we don't mess up with lipstick, okay?
Okay.
Put it on me.
Pink.
Mm-hmm. Oh, do I look pretty yet? No, why do you keep saying no?
Pink. Give it more. Hey. One.
Oh yeah, now it's baby's turn. Let me see.
Wet. Baby want a little red.
You want red? You don't want purple?
Red.
You want to do purple? Okay.
I'll do it.
Step away. The step back. Okay.
You need to take the paint off.
It's ombre. It's 2 colors.
With a rainbow.
Mm-hmm. Like a rainbow. Look, it happened to the camera. Do I need more or like that? More.
So what that?
Hmm?
So what that?
Like that?
You see everyone there.
Do I look pretty yet? I do. I look
You
pretty.
see everyone.
Let me see, Mama. You want me to show everyone? Okay, but we're not.
I open it.
No, you can't open it no more. Okay.
Open it.
So what you're gonna do? Am I done? Yeah. Okay. So with this, you're gonna spray my face with this. Okay.
Hey.
All right. Spray one time.
Here.
No, from far away. From far away. From far away. Look, you're gonna go like this. Look. See, and all that's gonna go on my face. So you gotta do it from far away. Like right there. Spray from there. No, don't get close. You gotta spray from right there. Like that. Spray.
When?
Okay. Just don't get closer.
Bubble top for you.
But my face. Do it. Are you strong or are you wimpy?
What's that?
No, your hand's gonna get in the way. Here, I'll help you. Look. Ready? 1, 2. No, you look at me. It's not gonna spray you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See? Now it's baby's turn. You gonna spray me?
Baby,
My setting spray?
help baby.
I help baby?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna spray me?
I'm gonna hold it on the red.
Spray my face.
Hit Martha.
Like this. Come here. I'm gonna show you. There we go. Look, hold it. Go like this. Go. Ah. There we go. So am I pretty or what? Yes? Can I look at the mirror now?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the mirror. I look beautiful. I look beautiful, right? I go show everyone? Okay, but first we have to tell everybody bye before we go, okay? Alright, come here. Violet, you want to sit on my lap, baby? Let me see. Oh.
Handful.
Okay, so this is a finished product. Look at the camera. This is the finished product. All thanks to Bella. What colors did you use?
Pink.
Pink and what else?
Blue and purple.
Blue and purple. And what palette did we use?
Black who?
Jaclyn Hill.
Black who?
Yeah. And then what other palette? We use the NYX palette. Right?
Gray.
NYX. Say NYX.
NYX.
We use NYX palette. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this. I had a whole bunch of fun filming it, of course. How could I not? Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you, baby. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Violet, say bye. This way. That way. Say bye. To the camera. Bye.
Bye.
That's fine. Okay, let's see. Get up. Violet, get away from there, baby. Okay.
Baby, you don't touch this, you're not gonna die like that.
Yeah, you'll die. Okay, come here, baby. Come here, sit on my lap. Okay, so you gotta look at the camera. Okay?
I don't want my lipstick on.
No, you're gonna put it on me.
No. Dad, I don't want it on.
No?
Does Marley or not a pee sometimes inside? They do?
Where's the water?
By the refrigerator and the cart. Oh, okay.
And right here, mom in the hallway.
No, the hallway, that's water.
That's who? Baby, move. To over.
Hold on, let me see.
Whoa. Oh yeah, right here. Your chicken's gonna burn.
Okay. You're gonna pick my... Oh, did it come off already? No? Yes?
No, yeah.
Did it come off?
I do it, pup. Let me just see over here. The pee over here. Molly.
It's okay. Leave Marley alone. Come here, Bella.
Be careful. No, go to the room.
Molly pee?
Yeah.
Bella, come here. Violet,
Molly
come over.
pee. Molly. Bunny. Molly pee.
You peed. Chihuahua, Marley.
Molly pee. Next to you.